So this is Nitro VPN Pro. How to connect? If you're a first timer using Nitro VPN, you're a first time user of VPN, so this will make a little hard for you, especially if you really don't know this kind of technology. So the first thing you need to do is first go to your Play Store and then type Nitro VPN Pro. After you type Nitro VPN Pro, I have downloaded it already, so you can click open. And then after you open your app, you wait. And then the first time you download your app, it is not yet updated. So you click this updates, that one, and then you click online. Make sure you have a data running, okay, so that you can update it. So once you have updated it, during this time, it's already 9.6 version. Okay, so last updated 2013. And then after that, you try to connect. Okay, so if you are no load user, you change to private. Or if you are a no load user, Globe TM no load, so you try to change it to Singapore 15, and then you find for Globe TM3 no load, and then that is my username, that is my password, and then you click connect. Okay, so if you are connected, then you can start using the internet. Okay, you can try first the speed test. Right now I am using my Wi-Fi, since I don't have any SIM for Globe TM. My Globe TM is in the phone of my wife. Okay, so I can try to connect with his internet. Okay, let me try to connect with him first. So Globe TM is auto reconnect disconnect. If you look at it, waiting for server reply, and then it will auto connect. Just wait for it, and then it will auto connect. So since I'm not using Globe TM SIM, that's why it's having hard time to reconnect. Han, kindly open your hotspot, please. So I'll try to connect with this Wi-Fi. This data is Globe with no load. So I'll try to connect with. You have opened it. Okay, Lodi, I'll try to connect with this one, so that you can see no load data. It will even inform me that it doesn't have any data. Checking the quality of the internet. So I'm trying to connect. Wait. Internet may not be available. See? There's no internet. But it's fine. It's okay. Okay, so no internet. I don't have internet, but now I'm connected. Okay, so now I'm connected, and let's try YouTube. Okay, I'll X this one first. Okay, let's try Dota. I don't have internet. There's no internet at all. But because of the Nitro VPN Pro no load, so it's buffing. There it is. Then it's reconnecting again. The app is reconnecting again. That's why it's buffing. Then it's connected again.
Dota2hunt.com. Win awesome jackpots with low stakes. Play coin flips with the lowest commission ever. Participate in our daily giveaways on all social media. The best place to bet your Dota 2 skins. Dota2hunt.com.
Then I can open Facebook.
The battle begins.
I can watch videos here. Okay. Let me show you first. So of course it's still buffing, then because it's waiting again. But when you use YouTube, don't notice it because it's very fast. It auto reconnects. Okay, just wait, connecting, then it's connected again. Okay, so here we can check Clark TV.
Gusto mo bang manalo
There.
ng pera?
First things first on the day.
Magbibigay ako ng 500 pesos kapag may nag-kiss sa
Okay, so what else do you want to try? Let's see the speed test if it's good. If it has good internet connection. Wait, it's auto reconnect again. We look at the graph.
Dire's middle tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom tower. Radiant structures are fortified.
I have 112 ms. So I'm here inside the building, so it doesn't have that good signal strength. That's why I only have that kind of speed. Because VPN is fully dependent on your network speed. If the VPN is not having good speed, but it's doable.
Dire's top tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom tower is falling.
Don't inform us that we are scam. You just don't know how to use it, okay? Because we, the owners, knows how to use it. Okay? We can even download apps if you want. Okay, let me see. Let me try to download this one. You can download. How come you say it's not working? We have our own website. There it is. It's downloading now. See? I'm using a data that is not really working. I don't have any load for Lodi, but it's working. I can download. Now it's connecting again. What else do you want me to try? I can play Spotify music. There's no problem. I got Spotify Premium as well. If you want to avail Spotify Premium, you can also avail from us. Okay. So there. Let's try library. Let's try music. Coldplay. This one. Something just like this. You see it's playing. This one really don't get it.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna